Hello, welcome once again. I'm Gopal, and I would like to start this session. So, we are conducting IAMUN in different countries, and today we'll learn something new. Okay, so every year we are bringing, ICJ International Court of Justice and UN Women. These two are most important committee in IAMUN. But if you'll visit on website, you'll find out that we do have almost all the committees for the delegates. So as I told you, I'm conducting this program, and in India, outside India, we do have Mexican team, we do have South African team, we do have team in Australia. So in different countries we are conducting. So please visit on our website for more information, and we do have training programs as well. Okay. So today we are going to learn about different points that is actually very important if you're participating in Model United Nations. So first one is point of order. So what does it mean? Point of order means, when a delegate believes that there was a mistake made regarding to rules of procedure. That is point of order. Okay, and this is also known as point of parliamentary procedure. So this point can be raised. A delegate can raise placard uh, to state any procedural inaccuracy. That is, if the chairperson or a delegate makes any mistake during the procedure of the committee. For example, if a delegate, uses the point of personal privilege, which I'll explain later what is point of personal privilege. So, for example, a delegate uses the point of personal privilege to question another delegate, then another delegate can raise a point of order. And here you need to remember this cannot interrupt the speaker. So that was point of parliamentary procedure or point of order. Now, point of inquiry, what is that? Now, it is used when a delegate has a question about something that is not clearly understood in committee. Use this to ask a question if you don't understand a term or get what's going on in committee. So this point can be raised by a delegate if he has any doubt regarding rules of procedure. And remember, this cannot interrupt a speaker, that we should remember it. Okay, so if you do have any kind of question, like what's going on in committee or a particular term is not clear to you, you can raise your placard, but remember, you cannot interrupt the speaker. So that was about the point of inquiry. Now, point of personal privilege. So this point can be raised when a delegate experiences some personal discomfort during the committee. Example, if a delegate is unable to hear the speaker, then he can convey the same to the presiding officer by raising placard for point of personal privilege. And remember, this is the only point can interrupt speaker. In other words, you can say a delegate may raise, a point of personal privilege in order to inform the chairperson of physical discomfort he or she is, experiencing, such as inability to hear another delegate, etc. So this is what you have to use. Then point of personal privilege we have already discussed. Now, point of information. So this can be raised, to state any factual inaccuracy in a fellow delegate's speech. For example, if a delegate mentions in his speech that the capital of India is Mumbai, then after the completion of his speech, a fellow delegate can raise his placard for point of information on the delegate and correct the fact that is the capital of India is New Delhi. Note, this cannot interrupt a speaker again. If you find any factual inaccuracy in a delegate's speech, then please raise your placard for point of information to gain extra marks also, and as you will consider as an active delegate. So these were the points that you should remember. Thank you so much. We'll meet in next video.